Here is an air conditioner at Jade's house, anyway, in the front yard. And it's a big air conditioner. And it's called a Siemens RDD 350.
State. And here's a Goodman.
It is a Siemens RDD 350 from the year 2001, and it's a big air conditioner, and it's in the front yard. And I don't know which the other air conditioner is by this one.
And
okay,
here's a
so we'll show the rest of it, because I gotta go speak with Jade and Francisco.
It's noisy.
Thank you, Pierce.
Right,
my boyfriend, I'll do the rest of this video.
Guide.
The name of this AC unit is called the Siemens RDD 350. So there's one air conditioner not running on your left, and Pierce and I do not know what this air conditioner is. Jade's family started coming to this home in April 2008. They installed this air conditioner when they built this house in 2001. And now, let's check out the type.
And here's a Goodman.
Siemens RDD 350, 10-tongue, certified by AHRI, and installed in September 4th, 2001. Okay, I have to keep the camera on hold, so Pierce can show you one more thing downstairs.
Okay, I'm going to change the degrees into 93 into 70 on the Goodman Itanium Thermostat because it's already cold in here. Now it's set on 70 degrees on the Goodman Itanium Thermostat. There's something behind me, and it's not the parents' restroom, it's the guest restroom. Yes, and I'll do it tomorrow. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.